Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to add voice in Character AI. First of all you have to do is open the Character AI website and log in with your account. That's the important step. So after logging in with your account, what you have to do is click on this create button and create a character. You have to select the character here. From here you have to set any name of your character. For example, I will set it as my character. You can set any tagline, my tagline. I'm just showing it as an example. You can type anything here, okay? Like my character description. And from here you can also add greetings or whatever else. And from here you will see an option called voice. You have to select add. From here you have two options, your voices and discover voices. You can also either create your own voice or you can go to the discover tab and add any voice of any character, or you can also search the voice of any character from the search bar. For example, I will set the voice of this character, or you can see there are so many characters. I will select this voice and now I will click on create character, and now I have created a new character with my own custom voice. And that's how to add voice in Character AI. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe.